how to make Lil Yatchy Walkout on Viggle AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Viggle.ai, then simply click on this option of join the beta, and this will prompt you to Discord. And after that, open up any of the create a video section and open up any particular room, and over here you would require a prompt in order to create that particular meme that we are looking for. And for the prompts, we can simply click on this option of prompt, and here simply search for Lil Yatchy and click on it, then select this particular animation and click on this option of copy, and after that it will copy the code. Then open up this particular message box, and over here select the option of animate, then attach the file, and in the motion prompt section just simply select it, then paste the prompt that we just copied, which is for Lil Yatchy. And you can also select background color. You can select the green one or the white one, so this way you would be able to receive your video in this format, so you can remove the green screen and use it up quite easily anywhere you want. So this is how you would be able to create Lil Yatchy Walkout from Viggle AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.